so blessed to have a girlfriend like you. Happy birthday, baby. I love you every day and thank you very much for being always there for me.
Thank you, baby. Hindi ko expect to. Wala akong masabi. First time mo kasi. Thank you ah.
Happy Thursday everyone! Samahan niyo po kami sa Parañaque City upang maghatid ng sorpresa at saya para sa karawan ni Miss Dinah. Ito po ay mula kay Nurse T all the way from Davao City. Malayo man sila sa isa't isa, hindi hadla ang distansya kung may paramdam ni Nurse T ang kanyang taos-pusong pagmamahal at pasasalamat para kay Miss Dinah. At tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang paghahatid ng sorpresa at saya sa tulong ng Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery.
Si Miss Dinah po ay makakatanggap ng birthday sas, flower bouquet, balloon and stick, birthday cake, birthday card, and teddy bear. Sa iyo po, Miss Dinah, in behalf of Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery, binabati po namin kayo ng happy birthday. May God bless you with good health and happiness in your life. Wishing you a day filled with amazing memories. More birthdays to come. Tara, samahan niyo po kami.
I never felt nothing in the world like this before. Now I'm missing you and I'm wishing you would come back through my door. Ooh, why did you have to go? You could have let me know. So now I'm all alone. Girl, you could have stayed, but you wouldn't give me a chance. With you not around, it's a little bit more than I can stand. Ooh, and all my tears, they keep running down my face. Why did you turn away? So why does your pride make you run and hide? Are you that afraid of me?
Magandang hapon po. Nandito na po kami ngayon sa Parañaque City kung saan aming susurprisahin si Miss Dinah para sa kanyang kaarawan. Guys, excited na po ba kayo? Tara, samahan niyo po kami.
Day, ano yung miling mo? Ano yung miling? Duha ka chips? Basta ka...
Magandang hapon. Ay, si Miss Dinah po. Ma'am, may deliver kami sa labas. Pwede mo kami samahan. Nakabox naman, bayad naman po, ma'am. Kung mo po kasi naka-address. Okay po. Ay, kasama po kaya? Wala po. Ay, sige po, pwede mo siya isa. Pwede pa naman siyang mag-ano. Sa init? Oo naman.
Masama ko pa eh. Kukuha ka lang ng delivery.
Sama ko na ngayon.
Adlock ka ha?
Ayun. Dito na lang po. Mauna ka po.
Init eh, gabi init.
Nanay. Surprise po! Happy birthday! Magandang araw po sa iyo, Miss Dinah. Happy birthday po. May idea po ba kayo? Kanina ito nagkaroon pa card ng surprises, no? Wala po. Sige po, sa ngayon po, relax and enjoy this moment. Happy birthday po. At dahil karawan niyo po, meron po kayong birthday sauce. Happy birthday!
Nakay Sash, wow!
Happy birthday po! dalawang pa-card transfer para sa inyo. Tama po kayo, ma'am. Ito po ay nanggaling kay Nars all the way from Davao City. Happy birthday, Saya na ni Nanay. Kasali ka dito, ma'am. Ito po po.
Ano mo ka nakasok?
At dahil karawan niyo po, syempre, hindi pa rin siya nagtatapos. Meron po kayong flower bouquet. Happy birthday po! Happy birthday po, Miss Dina. At dahil karawan niyo po, syempre, meron din po kayong teddy bear. Happy birthday! Nanay na lang po, mama. Okay, nanay yan. Happy birthday po. At dahil karawan niyo po, syempre, meron din po kayong birthday message. Pero bago po kami basahin, magpakilala po muna kami. Kami nga po pala ang Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery. Miss Dina, nandito po kami upang gawing extra special ang inyong karawan. Happy birthday po! Ready ka na po basahin? Birthday greetings to my beloved person. My happiness, my everything. My partner in love of my life. Thank you for being good, bad girlfriend of mine. I know I'm not perfect for you, but I'm always here for you no matter what. I'm so blessed to have a girlfriend like you. Thank you very much for everything. Tama ko kasi ang pagmamahal mo sa akin. Thank you for loving me. I am blessed to be your partner. No birthday wishes. Greetings in message can express how much I love you. Thank you for making me happy every day kahit para na tayong sina Tom and Jerry. Away bati, pero ayun, nagkasundo pa rin tayo. Kasi iniintindi mo kapag tinutupak ako. This birthday message isn't enough to express in words that amount of genuine and unconditional love that I have for you. Thank you for coming into my life. No matter what happens, I'll always be here for you. I hope your special day will bring you a lot of happiness and fun. I wish you all the best in life. I know I'm not perfect partner, but I promise to love you with all my heart. I really appreciate for all you've done to me. I wish you have lifetime of smile, happiness, and love. Happy birthday, baby. I love you every day and thank you very much for being always there for me. And of course, for taking care of me. Minsan di mo pinaramdam sa akin na LDR tayo. Kahit tupakit ka, I love you. To the moon and back and forever. Wish you all the best. May all your dreams and wishes come true. I hope your special day brings you all that your heart desires. I pray to God that you may grant us more years to celebrate and have cherished all the happy moments us together. Happy birthday! Kahit saan man ako, malapit naman ako sa puso mo. Nagmamahal, Marcy. Happy birthday po! Kamusta po, ma'am? Na-surprise po ba?
Hindi mo kasi.
Ano po masasabi niyo po sa kanya? Nanonood po siya ngayon? Nag-insist na lang po siya.
Thank you, baby. Hindi ko expect to. Wala akong masabi. First time ko kasi. Thank you, ah.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and happy birthday. Naiyak si ma'am. Happy birthday po, ma'am. Ngayon po, pwede po namin ingan si Lola ng message para po kay ma'am Dina. Birthday message po. Ito po na, sasabihin ko po. Birthday message po sa kanya. Dito po na, sa harap po. Yan.
Apel ba ito sa video na?
Ito po, guys. Ay, wala, magpagbabayad ka na ha. Saan kita maadong lawas sa ating mga kinabuhi. Santi mo nanay, wala na din. Ano mo? Mahal ka namin, anak. so much po, ma'am. Naiyak tuloy sila. Sige po, kung wala na pong babati sa'yo, Miss Dina, kami naman po mga staff babati sa'yo. Sa'yo po, Miss Dina, binabati ka po namin ng happy birthday. May God bless you with good health and happiness in your life. Enjoy your special day. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday po. And lastly po sa aming sender, all the way from Davao, in behalf of Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery, lubos po kami nagpapasalamat kasi kami po ang inyong napili upang may hatid po itong surprise kay Miss Dina para po sa kanyang kaarawan. Pagpatuloy lang po ang pagmamahal sa isa't isa at lagi po kayo mag-ingat dyan. God bless po. Sa iyo po ulit, Miss Dina. Happy birthday po. Enjoy your day, ma'am.